Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Bo Pelini, the fiery college football coach, known for his defensive acumen and outspoken personality. After years leading teams, many now ask, where is Bo Pelini now? Let's break it all down. Bo Pelini built his reputation across major college programs. He was head coach at Nebraska from 2008 to 2014. Then took the head coaching job at Youngstown State from 2015 to 2019. He also served as defensive coordinator at LSU. Pelini is known for his intense sideline presence, strong defenses, and controversial moments both on and off the field. In January 2020, Pelini returned to LSU as defensive coordinator. However, his second stint at LSU ended in December 2020. Since then, he's not held a full-time coaching position at the collegiate level. He's remained visible in the football community, speaking in interviews, making appearances, and remaining engaged with fans and media around the sport. Where is Bo Pelini now? As of now, Bo Pelini is not currently a full-time coach. He has moved into other roles. He sits on the board of directors for Pitching Change LLC, a role that aligns with his interest outside pure coaching. He also makes occasional public appearances related to football commentary and stays active in sports circles. That said, rumors have circulated in recent years that he might return to coaching, and fans continue to watch for that possibility. Bo Pelini's career has seen dramatic highs and strong identity as a coach. Now, he's in transition not out of football, but stepping back from day-to-day coaching while exploring opportunities and staying in the conversation. Whether he returns to the sideline or carves a new path, his legacy in college football is secure.